Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Filipino-style macaroni salad using an easy method. First, cook 1 pound of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, then drain and rinse it with cold water. Next, prepare a creamy, sweet, and savory dressing. You'll then combine the cooled macaroni with delicious additions like diced ham, sweet pineapple chunks, and shredded cheese. Finally, mix everything together and chill for at least 2 hours. To begin, ensure you have 1 pound of cooked and cooled elbow macaroni ready. For the savory elements, you'll need 1 cup of diced cooked ham and 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Add a touch of sweetness with 1 cup of pineapple chunks, drained well. The creamy dressing requires 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. Now let's create the signature creamy dressing. In a large bowl, combine 1 full cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Next, add 1/4 cup of sweet condensed milk, which gives this salad its distinct Filipino sweetness. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. This secret ingredient perfectly balances the flavors. Whisk everything together until it's completely smooth and uniform. It's time to bring everything together. Add your cooled elbow macaroni, diced ham, pineapple chunks, and shredded cheddar cheese into the bowl with the creamy dressing. Gently fold all the ingredients until every piece is thoroughly coated. Once combined, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a lid. Refrigerate the salad for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures it's perfectly chilled for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.